Here's how to turn on cell data on your phone. So if your cell data is currently off, then swipe down from the top right corner to get to your control center. Inside of here, in that top left bubble, we're going to tap on that and it's going to open up everything that's inside there. And we can see cellular data right here that we can tap on to turn it back on. Now, let's say it's off and that's not working or that you don't have that bubble. Then what you'll want to do is go into your settings. So inside of settings, in that very first card here, we've got cellular right in the middle. So we can tap on that and we can turn on cell data right here. And then if it's off for or if it's on, but it seems to be off for a certain app, you can scroll down a little bit and you can see different apps here. You can click on show all and see all of your apps. And maybe you meant to have this on for a certain app. It's not working. So you can turn it on for any of these individual apps if you want to, or kind of select what cell data is on or turned off. But that's how you can turn on cell data on your iPhone.